Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 3rd of September 2020 question number 4. If integration sin inverse x root x divide root over 1 plus x whole dx is equal to ax plus ax into tan inverse root x plus bx plus c, then ax and bx will be 4 options are given. This is the memory based question and a question of JEE Main, and this question is also in the integrating function. At first our given function is this is equal to this. So at first our I is equal to let I is equal to integration of sin inverse root ax divide root over of 1 plus x dx. Here we know root x divide divide root over 1 plus x sin inverse is equal to, we say, integration of tan inverse root x dx. Now putting x is equal to t square. Differentiating both sides, we get dx is equal to 2t dt. Then integration of tan inverse root, this means tan inverse t into dx means 2t dt. 2 is here and it becomes t tan inverse t dt. Now this is our first function and this is our second function. Now integrating this, it becomes 2 tan inverse t integration t dt minus of integrating tan inverse, it becomes 1 by 1 plus t square, and it is t square by 2 dt. So 2 is common here and it becomes tan inverse t into t square by 2 minus of half is common here, and we just write down 1 plus t square minus 1 divide 1 plus t square into dt. Now multiplicating this, we get t square into tan inverse t, and multiplicating this minus of this cancelled off, and this becomes 1 minus dt divide 1 plus t square. Both are integrating, it becomes dt, 1 into dt. So now t square into tan inverse t minus, it becomes t minus and minus become plus, and it is tan inverse t plus integrating constant c. Now t square plus 1 is common here and it becomes tan inverse t minus t plus c. Now putting the value of t here, so it becomes t square means x plus 1 tan inverse it is root of x minus it is root of x plus c. So this is also given equation this. So this is similar to ax is given here, ax tan inverse root x plus bx plus c is equal to calculate tan inverse x plus 1 tan inverse root x minus root x plus c. So here we see that tan inverse x, tan inverse root x is common here, then ax is equal to x plus 1 and bx is equal to minus of root x. So this ax is equal to x plus 1 here and bx is equal to minus of root x and c is also common. So we reached, this is our required value, this is our required value ax and bx, and our option is option 3, 1 plus x comma 1 plus x comma root minus of root x, which is ax and bx. So this is the whole solution. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. I think it is moderate type of question. Some may be confused because this integration have a value is given, but when you think and solve the integration, then it become very easy. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video.